What is the Mandela effect? As it is described, it is a phenomenon where a large group of people collectively misremember an event or a specific detail, believing it occurred differently from how it actually happened. Now, this term was coined back in 2009 by an author. She's an author and a paranormal researcher now because of this, by the name of Fiona Broom, where she could have sworn up and down she incorrectly remembered that Nelson Mandela died in the 80s in jail.
And from my understanding, she was the only one who thought that.
Well,
It
no,
was
that's
her with a group of her colleagues. They were at a conference, right?
right, and that's why this became a phenomenon, because everybody was like, "No, wait, what the hell? He did."